I was going to go to hell today, but I'm not going to pass on this opportunity. So there is a place here which is like a valley between the mountains, and it's called the Hell because apparently it's really super challenging to get there. But anyway, I just heard from other riders who tried to go there on 1200GS, and they said it's really, really bad. It's a lot of sand and rocks, and I'm just not going to do it on my fully loaded bike. I'm just going to enjoy the other passes. So I'm not going to hell just yet. Adventure ride today. This is the start of the Swartberg Pass, which goes, I think, for 30 km, yeah, up the mountain. I think it goes up and down, but anyway, in around 35 km I get to a little town called Prince Albert. It's gonna be a good day. I'm looking forward to this. Chili, yeah, she's excited as well. I'm impressed with the condition of the road. It's very well maintained. This is a beautiful pass, and it's sort of like you're right on the edge of the mountain. This is pretty. Wow. These guys are very nice. They always pull over for me. Thank you. Oh, gorgeous. Oh wow, look at that. And we have another viewpoint. Whew. Look at that. I need to put utility somewhere so it's... And just like that, I'm nearly at the summit of the Swartberg Pass. To the summit I still have like 20 meters, so I think we're just gonna continue this road up for a little bit and then we're gonna start going down to Paul Albert, yeah, little town. But this is so beautiful, look at it. How's the serenity? People, everyone who recognizes me gets a sticker.
Yes,
Oh, great.
There you go.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put it on my bike.
There you go.
Nice to
Thank
meet
you very
you.
much.
Get to it,
I'm
quicker.
David.
David.
Yeah, Johan.
Johan,
now.
nice to meet you. Nice bikes. So how long is your tour? Is it your bikes or rental ones?
No, it's mine.
Okay.
It's ours.
Yeah,
But you don't see
Yeah,
too many
we-
800s, eh?
it's lekker for the sand and yeah,
Tell me
it's
about it.
more.
On the
Yeah.
different bike. 1200 is just too heavy. Let's take a picture together.
Yes.
Okay, you guys ready?
Ali.
Cheers. It was nice to meet you.
Yeah. Keep well.
Thank
And,
you.
Drive safe.
You
see
too,
you in
ride
YouTube.
safe.
Nice to meet you.
Bye. And just like that, two guys will stop. Bye. They're going the other way. Let's go. Ta-da! I made it to the summit of this beautiful pass. It's very windy, so I won't be flying a drone. But the scenery is just absolutely gorgeous.
So this is where I came from. So that's what's behind me, and this is what in front of me now. It just gets better and better.
You are very cute. What's your name?
Friki.
Freaky. You like chili? This is chili. The bike is chili. Look at this beautiful rock. I can't focus on the road. This is gorgeous. Wow. I love that. I love this fence. I'm going slowly because downhill for me with all this load, it's just like chili goes like a bullet down. Look at Chili, she's presenting herself very well for you. Wow, look what's above me. So cool. Maybe it's time to fly a drone here. It's not so windy. What do you reckon? Let's just go past that bend. This is insane. Oh, look at this. Yep, this is pretty. Yep, drone flying time. This is very, very, very pretty. Whoa. Unreal. Whoa. Yeah, you have to see this. I don't know if you can see it. Wow. What an epic ride. Huh. I'm impressed. You're doing a great job. That looks like hard work.